The Genie Chain Drive 550 opener uses a sturdy chain mechanism and direct current motor to move the door smoothly while keeping operation dependable over the long term. Soft starting and stopping helps reduce noise and wear on the door, which is especially noticeable if the garage is close to living spaces. Built-in rolling code security and the included safety beam system work together to block unauthorized entry and stop the door if something crosses the opening. Installation is straightforward thanks to the snap-together rail design and factory-assembled chain, so most homeowners can set it up without specialized tools. The opener comes with 2 pre-programmed handheld remotes, a wireless keypad for personal identification number access, and a wall console that adds vacation lock and light control. Compatibility with many in-car remote systems, plus responsive support from the manufacturer, make this a convenient and confidence-inspiring choice for typical 7-foot residential doors.